Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on a LG front load washing machine, and my customers complain is that they're getting LE error code, which is communication problem between the RPM sensor of the motor and motor itself. So you can see I took the motor out. Let's open apart, and here's the RPM sensor, the motor controller speed sensor. This is the brand new one, and this is the old one. To check this, to test this, you're gonna check between pin number 1, which is that one, and pin number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the last pin from the left. So you're gonna check between pin number 1 and pin number 4. You're supposed to have 9 or 8 or 9 kilo ohms. So 8,000 ohms or 9,000 ohms. Here's my multimeter. I have it here, and I'm gonna check between pin number 1 and pin number 4. Pin number 1 and pin number 4 again. You can see I'm getting 19,000 ohms, which is wrong. It's not right. And now I'm gonna check the new one. See, I'm getting and I'm not getting anything. Now I'm gonna check the new one. So that's the old one, discard. The new one. Pin number 1 and number 4. Okay. Again, pin number 1 and number 4. You can see I'm getting 9,000 ohms. The old one is defective. And usually for this when this speed sensor goes bad, my customers complaints are that the washer doesn't spin properly, or the washer would make grinding noise. The grinding noise could be from the broken bearing, but on LG washers, if I go in the front of the machine and hold the lip of the drum in place and with my fingers and go back and forth and see, there's nothing wrong. There's no noise, no grinding noise, nothing. I already know this is the sensor problem, and I keep these in a stock, so I always replace these with that problem. Or I tell my customers over the phone, can you unplug your washer and turn the drum with your hand? If the customer plugs the unit, unplugs the unit, and they turn the drum with their hand, and it doesn't make any grinding noise, again I already know this is the problem. But if they tell me on the phone that, yeah, my washer is unplugged, and when I turn the drum it still makes funny noise, weird noises, I already know the bearing or the back flange is broken, I cancel the call and tell them, okay, you need to buy a new washer. I hope this helped you guys. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Thank you.